Hey man, it's been a minute. I'm not gonna lie, haven't back tested in like 2 days. A lot of that, honestly, bro, I was kind of frustrated after I lost my account I passed and also the other account I was working on. And then I deleted that account, like I said, and I think the most recent joint I made. I deleted that account. I made a new one, and then I couldn't. And then I bought a funded on that one, and I couldn't log into it on Top Step because I used the same email for the account I previously deleted, so it was like confusing the two. And I I thought I just wasted $50, and I had to continue to wait for a just for an eval I could actually use, and I just had to wait to work on an eval, and it was annoying and kind of frustrating. But I just want to talk about a couple things. So I did actually end up fixing it, thank God. Um, Pretty much, bro. I just talked to this dude, and he was like, initially nothing was working, and then he was like, "We're just gonna delete the account, get rid of the evaluation," and I actually got a refund and also a free reset. So that's tough, bro. That's so tough. Um, I just had to use a completely different account, completely different email, completely different username, so nothing, like coincided. But I do have my own account, thank God. So this is all mine. So now it's just ready. I'm just ready to put in the work, bro, and just go harder than last time. Um, no pun intended. If you know, you know. But yeah, that's really what I'm trying to do. As you can see too, bro, I need to get a cut. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's bad right now. I'm not receding, by the way. My shit's just like I swear I'm not receding, but it looks bad. Cover that shit up, man. Yeah, cover that shit up. I'm not receding. I just have a cowlick on my hairline. All right, so chill on me, bro. Chill on me. But like I said, it's all fixed. So I have nothing to worry about at all. When I pass this account, which I'm not gonna put a date on it. I just wanna follow my rules every day and see and whatever happens, happens. That's really what my plan is with that. Um, but my thing with back testing, so obviously this is all fixed. I, bro, if I have any issues, I'm gonna crash out. I'm not gonna lie. If I have any issues, I'm gonna crash out. Account gone. No, I'm playing. But in terms of back testing, the way I'm doing it and have been doing it, it's been good. Like it's worked. But I want to start back testing the finite details of my setup. So every week, I just want to back test one thing. We'll, we'll say like 3 days. I'll just back test one thing that is coincides with my setup. So I was thinking about doing like draw on liquidity, like continuing to do draw on liquidity back testing and just practicing and working on my bias so I'm very consistent with it. So instead of just mindlessly back testing, right? I'm not even looking for trades anymore. It's just like I'm looking for just to practice my skill, right? So obviously before this whole thing happened and like all my progress kind of got put in the trash. I was pretty much the entire month of um, April. My bias has been correct each day, other than like I think one day, and obviously we have the rest of this week. Um, and today honestly looked pretty free too. Price action has been nice, bro. Like it's very easy to. Actually, I'm gonna go with my top set. out of my ears. Midnight in here. So clearly, so this is previous day high. So we obviously, this is just accumulation. We're just accumulating. Take previous day's high. We take London low, and then I think there's ES. This is, wait, what's this? So take London low on both, and this is previous day low, and that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty much we accumulate overnight, hit PD high, and we dump for the entire morning, and then afternoon we go up. So let's look for a trade I actually would have taken. So honestly, bro, we dump at 9:30, so there's not much I'm really looking to take. Hold up, like as soon as we get the 9:30 candle. Bro, I gotta fix this because this is like a completely new account. I have to fix all my stuff, like my rectangles and my lines. So here's what I see. So obviously we have all this low resistance liquidity here, 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 and here. London low here. We also made this low as well, and we're just accumulating, and you can see we're holding on this 5-minute gap. So that's what I'm seeing. That's what I would have saw in real time. We hold the 5-minute gap. And we actually filled this gap on ES that we created on NQ. So this is the same gap, just a little different, and you can see that we filled it on ES. Obviously dropped down to the lower time frame. So what do we get? We don't take this low. We're just continue to accumulate or generate liquidity pretty much. We have all this from the previous night. And obviously the one joint is our target. So if I were trading, oh, this is so clear. I definitely would have taken this 100%. I mean, this was clear as day. Like, aim for this low, like, pretty clear. But what I was really trying to say is, let's say I miss this trade. I'm obviously still bearish for London low. I would be bearish for Asia low. I don't know about. I think this is, where's Asia low? Oh shoot. Okay, I would just be bearish for the London low and then maybe previous day low. I wouldn't really be too aggressive. It's thinking we were gonna spill all day because it's Monday, so I'm not expecting a huge move. We would definitely be staying inside this range that we created, right? So this high, this low to this high. But in terms of this, honestly, because we're just going up and down, I'm waiting for macro, and we don't sweep anything. I mean, like, we take this high on both, right? So we take that high. You don't have SMT. We don't have SMT. So as soon as macro hits, that's when I'm interested. So we're gonna seek liquidity when macro hits, and you can see that's what happens. You know, there's this right here, this order block entry. Be a beautiful entry. Displace, respect the OB, deliver, and then let me fix this right now, bro, because this is awful. I think it's line, background, tell me who did I leave behind, you said it got to me. Do we have a background? Or I feel like it would be that and then white line. Wait, no. Line, white, like this. Things like that. Let's say that's my fair value gap. So we hold close below, respect, dig into the OB, and then we dip. That would be a beautiful entry. Sorry, that just took a minute. Obviously looking for that, and for this, I'd aim for there. That would be a good entry for me, and good TP placement. Ooh, volatile. That's what I see, and then if I didn't catch this, I would have taken this right here. Or that entry, I would have gotten this entry right here. You say you got to me, I can just read your mind. You think I'm so caught up in and then obviously be using my levels on ES. Yeah. Pretty easy day today. If I would have traded, obviously I didn't trade because I didn't have the account. I just got it today. So, you know, it's time to lock back in. I was kind of down a little bit, but there's no reason to be down anymore. I've still been going to the gym. Gains, brother. Gains, bro. Come on now. Ah. Yo, that shit looks like some fucking alien shit. What the fuck? Wait. Oh my god. Jesus. Big boy. But, I've still been going to the gym. I've been doing all that. Just haven't back tested the last 2 days. I'm slacking on that. But I'm gonna back test tonight. And I'm gonna, yeah, I mean, I just charted. Gonna put my milk on the chart whenever that hits. So yeah, just wanted to give y'all a little update. Yeah, we're good now. We're chilling. Everything should be, yeah, it's just equal highs. We've also got this huge gap here that I completely forgot about, which was marked. I'm tripping. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope y'all had a good trading day. If you traded, I'll see y'all tomorrow.